I supposed to be split, but my sister don't know. So I'm gonna teach her, but I have to show her first. Ow! First, just can you see my legs? Okay, can you get the Shiba Inu? This is the angel because my birthday. Okay. So no. Okay, can you stop? But it's actually cute. But you have to straight it so you can absolutely get the right split. When you already you keep it so they can see it if you're in the split it. Can I try that? Wait. If I'm done, do the middle stupid split. Yes. Show them for how you do it. Okay, take the Shiba Inu. It's done. And get Mickey. Excuse me, bro. My turn. It's your turn. But I'm actually not super flexible. I'm flexible. Super duper flexible. But I'm actually gymless, but I already know how to handstand. Oh my god. Wait, I have to upside down it so they can see. Okay, I'm gonna take this. Oh no, she don't know how. Oh my god. Okay guys, for the I have to show her. Guys, I show you too because I know you. Oh, please. Okay, I'm done. Four. But your legs is actually not straight. Meaning you did. Can you please? Okay, I have my to. Wait, I have to straight. Okay, still not straight, but actually you do it. Can you do this, please? Can you do this? I actually not flexible. Please, I'm split. Okay, first butterfly. Okay, reach. My turn. I didn't get my turn. Okay, fine. Okay. Still her turn. Okay, first this. If you don't get to halfway, but you're halfway done, just hold it for 30 seconds. Okay. Then repeat it after where you're going.